Now we'll start 10 animals names starting with F. First word F for fox. F for fox. F O F O X. Fox. Next is F stands for flamingos. F stands for flamingos. F stands for flamingos. F L A M I N G O. Flamingo. It is a bird. F for flamingos. Next F for ferret. F E R R E T. F E R R E T. Next is F stand for falcon. It is a bird. It flies very high. F for falcon. 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 Next F for frog. Frog. A for frog. F for frog. Frog. Next F stands for fish. Fish. F for fish. It is a fish lives in water. Next flea. Flea. F stands for flea. Flea. It is a insect. Flea. Flea. F stands for flea. F stands for fly. F for fly. Fly. It is a house fly. Fly. F for fly. F for finch. Finch. It is also a bird. F for finch. Next is A for fossa. It is a mammal animal. F for fossa. Fossa. F for fossa. Next, we'll discuss one by one all animal. A for fox. A for X. A for flamingo. Flamingo. F for ferret. 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 F for falcon. Falcon. F for frog. Frog. F for fish. Fish. F for flea. Flea. F for fly. Fly. F for fly. F for finch. Finch. F for fossa. Fossa. These are 10 animals starting with F. Thank you.